Alright everyone, I'm going to show you how to network a file or drive onto your computer from another computer. So you double click my PC, go to Map Network Drives, then Map Network Drive. You'll get a screen like this. Pick whatever letter you want. Save that, and then hit Browse, and then hit whatever computer you want to get the file or drive from. It'll be listed down here. So I'm just going to use the public. Use this. And I'm going to go to my corpse grinder. Hit finish. And that will come up and it will show you that you've done it. So that's how you do it.